Hello, students of Standard 9. Welcome to this YouTube channel of Montbretia. We were in the chapter number 3, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. First of all, let me know today, have you seen the figure of or picture of Hitler? The original name of Hitler was Adolf Hitler. Have you seen the picture of Adolf Hitler? Today I am going to show you the original picture of Adolf Hitler. This is the original picture of Adolf Hitler. See the mustache, see the face, see the ears. His eyes only says or speaks the cruelty. See the personality of him. This is the army of Hitler, well-disciplined, well-dressed army. This is the speech he has given about the Jews. If you can read, where it is written that only original Germans are allowed to live in Germany and nobody else. Today we will go through a topic about this chapter, Hitler and Nazism, that what promises did Hitler make to the German people? What are the different promises he make to the general people of Germany? How did he mobilize them? How did he help them to get this? Hitler promised to build a strong nation, and he also promised that he will undo the injustice of the Versailles Treaty and restore the dignity of the German people. Hitler said that the Treaty of Versailles has made the German people very shameful. This made the German very downcast in the eyes of the world. So he promised to his citizens, once again he will make Germany a powerful nation. He promised employment for those looking for work, especially to the youths, and a secure future for the youth. Whoever youth were unemployed, he promised each and every youth that he will provide employment for them. He promised to weed out all foreign influences and resist all foreign conspiracy against Germany. Means all foreign influences. There will be no foreign influence. Germany will be sovereign. All decisions will be taken by itself. And any conspiracy against Germany will not be tolerated. In order to mobilize German people, Hitler held massive rallies and public meetings. When he delivered his meeting, nobody moved from here and there. Everybody listened to him very nicely, quietly, attentively. He is a very good orator. The red banners with the swastika sign, have you seen? This swastika sign. See swastika, sign of swastika. Have you seen this sign? This is the symbol of Nazism. And the Nazis salute this in their flag. This is the sign which have in their flag. And the Nazis salute and ritualized rounds of applause after the speeches left deep influence on the minds of German people. So, whenever Hitler gives a speech, there was a great applause from the people, which give more enthusiastic, which make him more enthusiastic, which encourages him to do something for the people. And people had a great faith on him. So these were the promises: employment for the youth, to make Germany once again that powerful country. He will not tolerate any conspiracy against Germany. No foreign powers will be there in the country. There will be a sovereign country. These are the different promises Hitler made for the common people of his country. So, in my next video, I will try to end the chapter by taking last two different topics of the chapter, and after that I will give you the questions.